Bakit ako lang?
Kasi ikaw, may pangarap ka kasi. Tapos, ginagawa mo lahat para matupad yun. Masipag ka, maalaga. Tapos, sa'yo ko nararamdaman yung tunay na pahinga.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. Lure me, yeah, darling. Lure me, yeah, over me. Lure me, yeah, darling. Lure me, yeah, over me.
Ikaw na yung gusto kong makasama habang buhay. Ayoko na ng iba, no? Never mo ako sinukuan. Salamat sa lahat. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Lola. Hindi ako magsasawa.
Pero hindi, wala naman talagang rason kung bakit kita minahal. Pero alam ko na kahit mawala yan lahat, yung mga rason na yan, mamahalin pa rin kita ng walang hanggan.
Totoo ba?